Hello students, good morning. Once again welcome back to our online teaching of St. Thomas School Mova for classes English. Myself Nimisha Mehta. We have started chapter 4 and we finished till activity 8. Today we are going to start activity 9. Bags of buildings. Did you know that some people are making new buildings with recycled trash? One architect from America has helped people in Haiti build new homes called earthships from the tires, bottles, and other trash that were left after a hurricane destroyed many homes. In this lockdown situation also, you prepare different art craft with waste things by waste things. Okay. As per that, in America, one architect helped people in Haiti build new homes called earthships from the tires, bottles, and other trash. Do you know? Hurricane means a violent storm with very strong winds, especially in the western Atlantic Ocean. Concrete, a very hard building material made by mixing together cement, sand, small stones and water. It's called concrete. Stake, pile. Cell, outer covering of something. Conserving, protecting from damage, change or waste. From that meanings glossary we understand one architect from America has helped people in Haiti build new homes called its earthships from the west means tires, bottles and other trash that were left after a hurricane destroyed many homes. Do you know hurricane means strong wind? Using recycled materials in building is becoming popular in many places. A school in Pune, Maharashtra, India is built almost entirely from recycled material. Here they given picture a wall made of tires, dirt, concrete and bottles. You look here this with tire they prepared a wall from waste. In this article, bags of buildings, how to make advantageous use of trash is described. One architect from America has helped people in Haiti build new homes called earthships from the tires, bottles and other trash that were left after a hurricane which destroyed many homes. Using recycled materials in building is becoming popular in many places. A school in Pune, Maharashtra, India is built almost entirely from recycled materials. This Aman Setu Primary School was built with walls made up of plastic bottles, cow dung, bamboo and straw. Aman Setu Primary School in Pune. All the classrooms were built by filling sacks with a mix of the earth and waste products. Whenever you visit Pune, then go that place, Aman Setu Primary School. It's already built with walls made up of plastic bottles, cow dung, bamboo and straw. Visit this place. All the classrooms were built by filling sacks with a mix of the earth and waste products, sealing them and then stacking them. Then they are tied with wire and plastered over. This technique is known as the earth bag technique. The school named Aman Setu Primary School was built with wall made up of plastic bottles. Karnam we already understood. The children in Aman Setu play in open spaces and learn about nature. They help take care of animals and grow some of the food they eat. Even their uniforms are colored with vegetable dyes, and when they need extra space, they have class in the cell of an old bus. They given here picture. As per that bus, they have classroom. Conserving energy happens even before school starts. Everyone comes to school in a school bus to reduce the energy needed to get to school. At Aman Setu, everything is reduced, reused or recycled. Conserving energy happens even before the school starts. Everyone comes in a school bus to reduce the energy needed to go to school. Everything they are reduced, reused or recycled. As per that activity 9, more questions are there. What are called airships? Airships are new homes for the people in Haiti. Hurricane had destroyed their homes. The airships were built from the tires, bottles and other trash left over. A hurricane destroyed many homes. An American architect helped the people of Haiti build these homes. As per their activity, I prepare many questions. Next activity 10. Jatin is writing a new post for his blog. He is trying to think of 10 new uses for a tin can. Only has 9. Write one more. It has to be a good use for a tin can. It cannot be one that is already on the list. 10th one they remain for us. First one, a toothbrush holder, a tin string telephone, a foam for drawing perfect circles, a biscuit shape cutter, a drum, a large insect's house, a recycled ink can for the metal, a decoration behind a wedding car, a hat. 10th one, they remain for us. So, from activity 10, we have to write 10th one, a coin collection box, and one more 11th, a spoon holder. At our home also, we keep all the knife, spoons in this wastage tin. So we can use as a coin collection box, as a spoon holder, as a knife holder. Okay. From this chapter, reuse, reduce, recycle, really we have to write report. So I send with PDF. Here we finish our chapter 4. In our next video, we will start our chapter 5. We can invent. Okay, write down these activities in your notebook. Thank you.